So how much money does it cost to fix a back window in a Range Rover Sport? So I will tell you exactly what it costs in this video and tell you how this happened. This is baby mama drama problems, where I got a rock through the back window from the baby mama. Needless to say, not putting this one through insurance for those issues. But we will see how this goes. So what I used was this stuff called Gorilla Tape to secure the window to drive all the way back down home. And it did the job, because I had that on there now for about 2 weeks in the rain and the snow, as you can see by the vehicle and the snow on it. And it held pretty good and kept the water out in a rainstorm and a snowstorm. So I was pretty happy with it. But glass everywhere. Luckily these people have glasses on, because little bits of glass. It's probably going to rain down here any minute. Okay, so they just got all this siding up and popping out the window soon. Okay, so brand new back window put in the car. Car's looking good. Gave it a quick vacuum out since there's glass everywhere. And here's the back window. Looking sharp. So cost of the back window cost about $600 in total. I think it was like $650 for the window, and then the rest was labor. And the total bill was $860 plus taxes. And of course I live in the Great White North at the moment, so those are Canadian prices. American would be about probably $600 roughly to fix it. So the total after taxes was $989 to fix one Range Rover back window. Crazy ex-girlfriends, I tell you.